Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to get karma on Reddit. So first, in order to get a karma, you have to create a new post. So click on create, select the community where you want to create your post and give it a title. Then give it a text body. Make sure that the text body and the title are really good text, because if you add a value to Redditors, they will appreciate it and then upvote it. And once they upvote your Reddit post, you will basically earn a post karma. Now, if you have added a post which is very valuable, then go to subreddits and just simply comment, because you can also get a comment karma. So once you added more value with comments and with posts, you will get higher karma. The more upvotes you get, more karma you get. So just join a conversation and add something valuable to the conversation. Make sure that it is really something good, because people aren't dumb and they are very smart actually, and they will not upvote it if it is just some random thing. So press comment right here, and this is how you comment and post and get karma then. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.